Hi, Meir Ezra here, and I want to talk to you about achieving your goals and targets. And what's the problem? Why it doesn't really work? The more you set up targets, the more you try to achieve goals, the less you do. Why? Okay, so the basic principle is that in this universe, for every plus, there is minus. When you concentrate on the plus, you leave the minus uncontrolled. Or it's basically saying when you take responsibility for the plus, you leave the minus without a responsibility. It's basically you've got the irresponsibility of the minus. So when you set up a goal, you write it down, and everyone tells you that you need to keep on saying, well, I want it, to visualize it, to really try to have it, and the more you try to have it, the less you will have. It's really fascinating, because this universe will not give you what you want. It will give you only those things you don't want, and a lot. So how do you overcome that? What you need to do is to write the goal that you want to achieve, but very exact. You don't say, I want a car, because then you'll get a beaten, broken, useless liability car. You say, I want a specific car with a specific color, with all the specification, everything about the car that you want, or everything about whatever you want, and then you drop it. You write it down. You take what you write or what you wrote and hide the piece of paper in a place that you cannot find. You drop it. You don't think about it. It's like nothing. It's not that you're not trying to remember it. You just drop it. It's different than forgetting. You drop it. You don't continue to put it there. And then you go about your life. And the more you drop it, the more it will happen. So everyone that tells you, well, you need to visualize it and try more and try more, actually get you away from what you want. It's fascinating, it's unbelievable, because if you say, I want something, you basically say, I don't have it. If you say, I want something, you say, I don't have it. If you say, I want to be successful, you actually say, I'm a failure. So, to achieve a goal, you write it down in an exact manner, you drop it. Drop it like it's not there. Finish, end, done. You don't deal with that. From that moment onward, you can deal with purposes, you can deal with targets, you can deal with whatever you want. But you don't touch this goal. And you will see, the magic will happen. You will have a miracle. You will have your goal. That's all.